One of the things that's really exciting, it's the first youth-led commission by Wales Millennium Centre that has young people at the heart of it, a professional community production. What is really refreshing is that I'm working with an organisation and a charity like Valleys Kids, which is completely embedded in the community that they're working in.
Many times when we've worked before on these sorts of projects, like with large institutions, is that we tend to sort of get bought in as the community, if you like. But this time, we've been brought in as the experts. We're not even going to be able to tell in this film how unique and important and special this work has been. And they are really, really significant and important stories about how young people's lives have been changed and shaped.
It's allowed us to be able to speak about a lot of different things that you wouldn't usually speak about. It's made me feel the confidence.
Before I didn't really think that having my own ideas and stuff and putting it into a project would really work. It's given me a lot of confidence. It's inspired me to want to do much more of it in the future.
It's helped me choose my career path and helped me decide what I want to do when I grow up.
It's quite exciting to work with the Millennium Centre because it gives us a sense that we're important, we're connected with something bigger.
It makes us feel like we're recognised, we're there.
Valleys Kids is a community organisation working with young people in one of the most deprived areas in Europe. It's a long-term partnership, obviously, with a national arts centre. So we have a responsibility to reach out to our audiences and communities and young people outside of Cardiff, which is exactly what we're doing.
The end product is pop-up performances all across Festival of Voice, various art forms created by young people and the youth arts workers. It's been youth-led from the start. It's never been us going, we're going to make a commission, it never was that. It sounds insane, but it's so rare.
Do you think I should stand up more, actually? That's the question. Leanne is a one-woman piece about a young woman called Leanne who is at a job interview.
Because I think there is something that she really enjoys about stealing.
It's really about the struggle of employment as well when you're 22 and looking for work. You haven't got all of the skills you might need to seek employment.
I had a tipful in the end.
Hopefully my next step for me as a performer and writer is just to open a few more doors for myself and meet a few more people and see where that can lead.
It's really exciting to be inviting the young people down to actually come into the building and take it over. You can see some of the artwork from our Pencil Breakers project, which is part of the Powerful Interventions production. We've got these 4 banners, they're different on each side, and they just make a huge impact. We're going to have a stage here, which will host about 3 different performances, completely taking over the space. So yeah, lots of things being built around the building at the moment.
I'm really nervous though to see her.
I'm a bit nervous.
Can't wait to see the end product of what we've been working on.
It's not like anything like I would expect to experience. I don't think it would have as much of an impact on me as it did.
I went through all my rehearsals, we've done the work, we've put it to the grindstone, and this is our final finale in a sense. You're creating something that means something.
Lots of energy and be as big as you can. Let's get our hands in. We're going to do it. We're going to sing a storm after 3. 1, 2,
It's given us the confidence to be more outgoing to each other, take care of one another, and just have fun whilst we do it. The next step now is to expand on it and make it a lot better.
For me, power means having your own voice and speaking up and being in charge.
So just leave me alone, ma'am. Leave me! I'm next, am I?
All of the hard work paid off today, and I can't wait to see where it sort of goes.
Power is something I've been thinking about because this has been our theme for the whole time.
For me, it's having the ability to say and speak.
It's about stepping out of the way if you really want to give power to young people.